Wow. Right as it touched the water there, second cast. Didn't even get to burn it back up to the surface. Fishing a buzzbait. Feels like a solid fish too. Awesome. That's what I like to see. And just getting it while the getting's good. Doing as much bass fishing right now as I can. So much fun too. Everything about this is so great. Love how Topwater calls in the bigger ones on a regular basis. It's just such a hot bite this time of year. I've been doing great. Lately. Still looking for a trophy though, but I mean quite a few big ones. Quite a few 18 plus and 18 to 20 inches this week, and still looking for 121 plus though. Best one this year is 20 and a half. This looks like a decent one for sure. Been getting a lot just under 18 too. A lot of quality thick fat fish like this one. Man, on that green, blue and white 1/8 ounce buzzbait. What a nice fish. Great first fish. Nothing wrong with that at all. I'm gonna get a quick measurement on him and then release him. He's a beauty though. This one's 18 3/4. A total beauty. There she goes. There's a little guy. And these 1/8 ounce buzzbaits are just the most ridiculous thing. They're like crack for smallmouth. Already missed another strike. I pounded this spot the other day, like 30 hours ago, and it's still producing. No surprise, you know, it's a long pool and I'm just fishing the head of it where some of the bass concentrate, a good number of them. So it's a dynamic fishery, but still, like, this topwater bite, especially with these mini buzzbaits, is unbelievable this week. Little 12-incher maybe, right around there. Tiny guy. I didn't even have to move it. That's amazing. Oh man, I know they're stacked in here because I've been catching them on buzzbaits a lot in here, but they're getting shy to them. So I figured I'd throw out the torpedo. 2 casts, 2 fish. Oh man, I love topwater. It's so much fun. This is a quality fish, I guess. It's a little better than the last one. On the small side, but definitely a lot of fun to catch. He's a little smaller than I thought, but still nice. Fun fight for sure. You know, 13 to 14 inches. Definitely pushing 14. Small guy. Another one just ticking the torpedo along. Right when I turned the camera off there. Kind of just trying to get the torpedo back to me, but I'll do that. I'll follow you right up. Another smallie. I love these fish so much. They're so much fun. They're a smaller guy. Like 12 and a half, 13. Skinny though. Sure, get a good hook in this one. Just lost one about in the ballpark of 14, another small one. And then I had another strike where he missed it. Or a different fish missed it. And a lot of little guys on this tiny torpedo. They're a lot of fun though. Just been hammering the spot too hard with the buzzbait, I think. This guy looks a little better, maybe not. No, I lied, he isn't. Oh, weird. He like spat up a bait fish and it got hooked on my lure. That is so bizarre. Never had that happen actually. It's a mad tom too. Look at that. See the little eyes and the flat head? That's so cool. It's like another 12-incher. Another little guy. I did get him there. Man, he sucked that down for a while. Enough time for me to turn the camera on and wait on him. Still just throwing a torpedo. Starting to slow down, I'm making my way back. I'm gonna try and hit some other spots. Yeah, another one like 13 and a half, 14-ish. That ballpark. Chunky guy. There's a bass, finally. Had 6 missed strikes, small strikes, might have been like fall fish or something, and had 2 fish pop off. One was definitely a bass. So like 8 missed fish already in this pool pretty much, if you count the missed strikes. Those always happen though. And then the tiny torpedo. Yeah, another smaller guy. Oh, maybe 11 and a half. Around there. Oop! Wasn't even looking. Oh wow, a little pike. That's cool. Plan on getting more serious, hitting each spot with the buzzbait first, and then the torpedo after. See if I can call another big guy out before the end of the day. And that is such a cute little pike. Been waiting for this to happen. It's been all smallies this week. I already made like 4 casts in that spot. Amazing how that happens. I saw a dark shadow moving around in there. This might be him. It's a smallie. It's funny how it seems like only the micro buzzbaits bring out the bigger guys. I'm not saying that this guy isn't a big one probably, but it's probably just a decent one, but maybe. I don't know. Hard to tell when they're jumping, but yeah, he's just a decent one. The average range, but it's funny, the torpedo brings out so many small ones. Oh, nice quality small. They're also thick, man. They're fighting so hard. Oh, he's a decent fish. Yeah, he's all right. Yeah, not a bad smallie. Yeah, I'm probably between 16 and 17. But thick, fat fish. Solid fish. Come off here, let him go. There we go. Hiked the river for almost a mile now. Finally got one to take it. Had one other strike like 10 feet up from here. Starting to deepen out a little bit. Just a little guy. Yeah, a chubby little smallie. There's a decent one. Oh man. Awesome. Exploded on it. He's still on the small side, but he's better than the last one at least. Thought there'd be some in there. Gets a little deep under those trees. It's gotta be 15-incher. Awesome. Sometimes that hook gets real stuck in there. Yep, there he is. I'm having so much deja vu. Back to when I used to hike the river. Oh, there's his buddy with him. Look at him, follow him up there. If I play him careful, I bet he'll come all the way to my... Yep, he's right there. Came all the way to my feet. Funny. Another little chunky guy. 13 and a half or so. This guy hit it. I missed my cast. He hit it like 15 feet out in the shallows before I even twitched it. I started working the, what's it called again? The tiny torpedo. That's so funny. Like he came all the way into like a foot of water. He must have bolted into it. Another probably barely 12-incher. Okay, that works. I slipped that man. Worked my way all the way back up with that torpedo. You know, together with misses and lost fish, I probably lost about 8 or missed them, and plus a couple more strikes. Just lost a lot of fish. Now I changed back to the buzzbait. Something here. Smallie. Sweet. Wow, he is a speedy little guy. Jeez. It's like the strongest little guy yet today. Really don't see little guys take drag on 6 very often. Strong fish. He's got attitude. Man, most of the fish I lost were probably like half of them actually, were just because like I was dawdling and like taking way too much time to fight them, like I'm doing with this one, because I was trying to fit a bunch of words in before I landed them. Oh, got him in the gill plate. Shoot. Oh well. It's another one. Smaller guy. 14 or so. That out quick. Oh man. First cast. That's what I'm talking about. Came back to the first spot where the video started. It's been my plan all along for the sunset bite. Stay down, baby. No more jumping. Work on buzzbait again. Just the white, green, blue one. It's been such a hot color this week. Probably the hottest out of the ones I have. That's a chunky guy. What's wrong with that? Whoa. Oh yeah, solid bass. Awesome. You know, another one 17, 18 inches easy. It's just been so good lately. Second master angler fish of the day. Another one over 18 inches. This one's real thick, 18 1/4. Not terribly fat, but really thick across the back. Nice September fish for sure. That was a nice strike. It took a couple minutes. No numbers tonight, but I'll take quality over numbers any day of the week. Absolutely. I'd rather one big fish than 80 13 inchers. Whoa, shoot. This guy's strong. I don't think he's quite as big as the last one, but he's pretty strong. Could be wrong, huh? Maybe he's a big one. Who knows? Really haven't seen him yet. All over the... Oh yeah, he's a solid one. Nice bass. Another nice quality bass. I don't know if he's quite as... Yeah, I think he's a little bit shorter maybe. Like probably between 17 and 18, but he's a little bit taller in the back. More of a square fish. Fat. Real solid fish. This one's 17 3/4. Just under master angler says. Another solid one. There he goes. I think 2 more casts, maybe 3. I think 2. Got another fish on. He's tugging pretty good. Oh yeah. Strong fall fish, man. They got a lot of spunk in them and they're pretty thick with muscle right now. I've caught a lot of thin bass in my life, and these ones this week have, almost all of them, not been them. The best one was just under 20 and he was really skinny, but all the rest of them have been so thick. Almost like lake fish, but not quite. Dude, the quality fish I'm getting is just tremendous. 18 inchers like this left and right is amazing. You know, this isn't Sturgeon Bay where it's easy to do that. Maybe not easy, but very doable. You know, it's difficult around here to find a hot bite for big ones. And that's what I've been finding this week as a whole. Oh, that's another nice one. Real solid fish. It's like the same as the last one, but rounder and thicker. Man, what a beauty. Look at these toads. They're not crazy long, they're not trophy size, but they're relatively big, you know, pretty long. Above average, I guess I could say. And they're so thick and fat. Such a fun fish. Another quality fish. This one's right on 17.6. Another beauty.